Brought to you by CyberSolve's Joomla training cohort and mysites.guru. Here's another good reason to always use an alt text on the images on your Joomla site. I'm just doing some work here on this client's site, fixing a couple things that we did and need to do better. I'm using the Web Accessibility Evaluation tool, WAVE, up here at wave.webaim.org. And you'll see over here this image in the side column. There's a little error there. We click, we see that the linked image is missing an alternative text. An image without alternative text results in an empty link. So this is a custom module displaying this image. We're going to go over here. I already have it open up. I will click on the image and we'll go into its properties. And you'll see right there, there's no alternate text. I'm just going to paste something in there. And we will, the mental health match badge, which is what that is, update, save, and I will clean the cache. And now when we go back and rerun that test, we'll scroll down to that link and we'll see that now it's all green. Subscribe for more videos. Until next time, enjoy your Joomla sites and God bless.